Well, what we're demonstrating here is how to boil water using stones. We had 3 stones that we put in the fire back there, and it was in there for about maybe 15, 20 minutes. We use a river rock. The river rock is a stone that's been on top of the ground, not what's been under the ground or in the ground next to the water, because it's tempered that way with the elements, the heat, the cold, the rain, and the dryness and all that. It tempers a stone, so it makes it a lot harder. We'll take them and put them into the fire for that short amount of time. Take them out and put them into the water. This is a gourd right here we're using. We also have the, oh boy, that's hot. Yeah, the other part underneath is also burnt out. 3 stones it took to bring this water to a boil, and it's been in there for about, what, 3-4 minutes? Mm-hmm. Wow. So you let it boil another 4 or 5 minutes, and you'll have purified water. And this water might look a little bit dirty.